Another error that we came across last night was when you went to plot your graph. For some people, it showed up, oh, Matplotlib is not installed in that. And that quite possibly could be the case. On most of the computers here in school, it's most likely that it's already pre-installed in that. But if you're at home, you could have come across a problem. So to get around this, and I'll just show you why the error is coming up. If I go to the Matplotlib package, so Matplotlib here, Matplotlib package, click on the Find Package from PyPy button, and you'll see here that I have Matplotlib already installed. So if I click uninstall, just to show you what error you're getting, and just takes a while for it to uninstall, click OK. So click that off. If I run it now, this is the error you would have been getting at home. Module not found error. No module named matplotlib.artist. So what we need to do is we need to go up to Tools and in reverse type in Matplotlib, search for it using PyPy, install it. Takes very short time. Once it's installed, should be any second now. Successfully installed. Once it's installed, we run it, and you should hopefully be back up and running with the graph, and hopefully that's that problem sorted.